Good morning everyone. Welcome to Elite Quad HS online class 12, subject accountancy. So today we are going to start a new topic, that is interest on drawings. So we can calculate interest on drawings in two methods. So what are the two methods? First one is simple method, and the second one is product method. In simple method, the partners draw the same amount. In same time interval. Whereas in the product method, the partners draw different amount. And in different time interval. Clear, students? Now let's understand this in more details with the help of a sum. So in the sum, calculate the interest on drawings at the rate 12% per annum if a partner withdrew rupees 2000 on the first day of every month throughout the year. So they have mentioned first day of every month. So in this sum we have to calculate the interest on drawings. What was the amount, students? 2000, right? So 2000 at the first day of every month. So the total amount will be 2000 into 12 because there are 12 months in a year. So they are mentioned in the question throughout the year. So 2000 multiplied by 12 is your amount. And what is the rate of interest? The rate of interest is 12% per annum. So 12 by 100. And what is the time interval? So to calculate the time, we have to take out the average month here. What is the average month? Time left after first drawing plus time left after last drawing. Divided by 2. Clear, students? So how we are getting the average month here? The average month is time left or month left after first drawing and month or time left after last drawing. The sum of these two will be divided by 2. This is the average month. So according to this sum, if we consider the business is running from 1st January to 31st December, so this is the time span of our business. The partner is withdrawing on 1st January because it's mentioned in the question first day of every month. So time left after first drawing is the whole 12 month. Yes or no? Time left after first drawing is, see, from 1st January, if the 1st January is the first date of withdrawing, first date of drawing, then the time left after first drawing is the whole 12th month, and similarly the last drawing will be on 1st December. Yes or no? The last drawing will be on 1st December. So what is the time left after 1st December? This is 1 month. So we will divide this by 2, and the answer is 13 by 2, that is 6.5. So we will take this as our time duration, 6.5 by 12. So let's calculate this. 2000 into 12, multiply the rate of interest and the time span. 20 into 12, that is 240. 240 into 6.5, that is 1560. In the next sum, they have asked to calculate the interest on drawings at the rate of 12% per annum if rupees 2000 are drawn by a partner on the last day of every month throughout the year. In the previous sum, we had done that the partner have drawn in the first day of every month throughout the year, and this sum says that the partner draws or withdraws the money on the last day of every month throughout the year. As the amount and time duration are same, we will follow the simple method. So interest on drawings will be what is the amount? Same, it's 2000, right? So 2000 into 12, the same way we did in the last sum, multiplied by 12% per annum. But here we have to calculate again the time span, that is from January to December. Okay, why are we doing this? To calculate the average month. I guess you all know the formula till now, that is time left after first drawing plus time left after last drawing divided by 2. So what is the first drawing here, students? Last day of every month. So what is the last day here? 31st January, right? And what is the last day of the last drawing? 31st December. So time left after first drawing is 11 months, because they are withdrawing the amount in the end of the month. So first month we are not going to count the first month, we are counting the rest of the months. So that is 11 months plus. And what is the time left after the last drawing? Last drawing they made at 31st December. After 31st December they are not going to use the money. So the time left after last drawing is 0. Clear, students? They are not getting any time to use the money they withdrew on 31st December. That is their last drawing. So we are getting 11 plus 0 divided by 2. That is 11 by 2 itself. And the answer is 5.5. Clear? So we are going to multiply 5 by 5 to calculate the interest on drawings. So let's do the calculation here. 20 multiplied by 12 into 5.5, that is 1320, right? That's all for today. In the next class we will continue with the next sums.